Spain Imperial. This is the place. This is part. Ayan. Yan. Private Private citizen. This is the beauty. See this beautiful view. Can you subscribe, follow, share, likes, and share my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. We are here. Take again a view of this spectacular rock formation, the Grand Canyon of Arizona. See, you can see the beauty. You can see we arrived here 3 hours drive from Las Vegas. Here. Yeah. So this is the one. Good. Look around, see what's the beauty of the nature. This is the Grand Canyon, Arizona. Okay, and this is the pilot. Become a pilot. Okay, see the down inner of the mountain. See, it's 8,800 feet below sea level. So this is the beauty. See, this is the dream come true of this vacationist, the Gallo family. It worth it. They are here. See, this is Don. Yeah, Annabel Gallo. John, kamu kaway JP, Jan, Annabel, kaway.
Hi.
Yes, Grand Canyon. This is the Grand Canyon, on the top of the hills. Here we go. See the beauty. Cup.
Hey, we are now in Grand Canyon.
Grand Canyon, Arizona. Kaway. We're at the top of the mountain. Cheese. Sombrero. Okay. It's windy. Oh, so the wind is very yeah, the beauty of the place is the one. Hi. Kawai. happy birthday, Johnny.
Happy birthday, Johnny.
Yeah, dito. Una, Johnny. Una. Okay. This is Palms Hotel. Resort Hotel. Kung man mag-video.
Pupunta.
Wala. Yan. Swimming for Janjan's birthday. And this the elevator going down.
Full na.
It's the airport of Las Vegas. And we are going to the Fabulous. We park here. There's the Las Vegas. Welcome to Las Vegas. This is the destination of Captain Gallo. He wants to see Las Vegas. See?
For the middle, you can take your own photos. This is if you want it on the hill and in the middle. If you
Stop.
Look this way. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Yes. Okay, stop. Good. 1, 2, 3. Point on the side. 1, 2, 3. Anything else? This. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Next. Very big. Hands in the air. Good. 1, 2, 3. Point at the side. 1, 2, 3. Cross the arms. Yes. Any other pose? 1. Normal. Hands in front of us. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Thank you.
Kayo pa. Kayo. Hindi, ayat yan. Si Papa lang. Si Papa lang. Okay.
Dito sa akin. This is the view of the canyon. Here. Ha? That's the beauty of the Grand Canyon. This is Grand Canyon Point Imperial, which is elevated at 8,800 below sea level. One. This is see the around the beauty. Oh, It's very steep out there. It's oh, it's very dangerous. It's the missing layers of the Grand Canyon. And this the two guys here, visitors from Philippines. Yeah, doing come over here. And this is the captain. Is hello, Cap. Kabay. This is the Miss Annabel Rama. Oh, Annabel Rama. Miss Galio. Yeah. Oh, maganda doon pero delikado doon.